This month, I've been sharing stories from my recent trip to Armenia. I traveled there in early October with a medical mission from Fresno. And tonight's focus is a clinic in northern Armenia, a beautiful place with tremendous need. It's a picturesque spot in northern Armenia's Lori region. Beautiful hillsides, cows and horses grazing freely in the distance. And the people of 7 nearby villages line up at the Zeg Health Center, hoping to meet American doctors offering free care.
In this clinic, there are not specialists, only family doctors.
But the specialists from Fresno have arrived, like physical therapist Christina Koroyan.
Time your back spasmed. First time? 1 year ago. You were 14?
And cardiologist Dr. Dikran Gulaserian.
Like I saw a patient yesterday who needed a pacemaker, and she goes, "Well, I can't afford it." I said, "Why?" There's no insurance here.
A steady stream of men, women, and children wanting a free checkup.
Tried to stand her up. She refuses.
Is she's sitting by herself?
Yes.
Lilith Azadorian and Marian Carrion are with the mission's pediatric team. They're offering early childhood screening, a rare service in Armenia.
In Armenia, there are very limited resources available to families who have children with, suspected developmental delay.
And now we're trying to teach the clinic staff to do the developmental screening to identify concerns that might need a higher level of assessment and intervention.
Carrion says there's a lack of money and support for families, and disabled children are often sent to orphanages. They hope their work to screen children early and direct them to help if needed will help stop that flow. And the importance of early childhood reading promoted by Fresno pediatrician Dr. Garine Lepedjian, a concept embraced by families in our communities, but not so much here.
And there's another issue that some parents, they don't know how to read, so we have to be careful for them not to be intimidated by us giving them books that they cannot use.
Dr. Lepedjian working with the nonprofit Children of Armenia Fund to purchase and distribute 2,000 Armenian storybooks, a treat for kids visiting the doctor with lasting benefits.
And once they go to school, books become friends, and it's not like a chore or study anymore. It's just something joyful. It's attached to their emotions when they used to have a good time with their parents.
So much work in one small clinic, a full day of screenings and patient care, and a bonus for the visiting doctors, a spectacular view outside.